ARC Market Data Services equip product and marketing managers at industrial firms with an exclusive web-based analytics platform. This advanced tool, coupled with extensive data on technology, enables the creation of detailed business plans and marketing strategies. The platform's interactive features allow users to deeply understand and analyze the competitive environment globally across different industries and applications. ARC's personalized online environment features tailor-made interfaces and datasets designed for each client's specific requirements. This service excels in providing the ability to seamlessly export custom data and visualizations into Microsoft Excel or PDF formats, greatly improving the speed and quality of business planning. ARC's competitive analysis tool offers an integrated visual approach to understanding market competition across various regions, sectors, and technologies. By merging three analytical methods into one easy-to-understand bubble chart, this tool displays key metrics such as growth rates, market presence, and revenue in dollars, providing a clear snapshot of major competitors in each market. ARC enhances its competitive analysis service by allowing clients to simulate different market scenarios to assess changes in the competitive environment. Users can dynamically modify market parameters, such as regional, sectoral, and technological coverage, to visualize potential impacts on their business strategies. This interactive tool aids in proactive strategic planning and decision-making by providing real-time insights into the competitive dynamics. ARC's competitive analysis service is enriched with in-depth qualitative insights from our subject matter experts. These experts provide detailed evaluations of competitors' unique strengths and strategies, enhancing understanding of what drives success in different market segments. This valuable perspective helps clients identify and leverage market trends and competitor strategies to enhance their own market position. Our tool enables detailed sub-segment analysis, allowing clients to visualize the impact of changes in market coverage on their competitive standing. Whether considering expansion into new sectors or scaling back existing operations, this tool provides real-time updates and insights into how these changes could influence the competitive dynamics, supporting informed strategic decisions. ARC's competitive analysis tool also allows for targeted analysis of specific competitors, offering detailed insights into their market positioning and unique advantages. This configurable analysis tool helps clients assess their own position relative to the competition and explore potential areas for differentiation within each niche market. ARC's Competitive Analysis Market Data Service provides clients an overview of each key competitor's product portfolio in each technology market, along with an analysis of each competitor's market concentration by vertical industry, region, and key technology submarkets. This analysis helps ARC's clients get a better understanding of how changing market dynamics in any individual vertical industry, region, or technology submarket will impact certain competitors more than others. This understanding helps ARC's clients better anticipate the changing competitive landscape based on the changing market dynamics within individual vertical industries, regions, and technologies. The corporate development visual provided by ARC presents a high-level analysis encompassing key company mergers, acquisitions, divestments, and product release activities that significantly impact the relevant technology markets. This tool offers qualitative insights from ARC's subject matter experts. These insights underline pivotal takeaways from the analysis, thereby enabling clients to navigate through different market perspectives without having to scroll through the results of different search options on the internet. This overview highlights how ARC's Market Competitive Analysis Data Service provides essential tools for product and marketing managers in the automation and IT sectors. These tools are designed to help navigate the evolving competitive landscape and uncover the factors critical to success in various markets. Please contact ARC to learn more about our market data services and how they can help you with your business planning activities.